Is this day 4? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's day 4. But we're at the house. I'm taking that off. I think these turnbuckles are broke. So I'm going to replace these and hopefully in the same thing get that all taking care of what I need to take care of, which means I can start using this step again, hopefully. Because I want to take this and have that right there so that only the receiver is sticking out. Well, it would be down here, and it'd be down here. Anyways, so when I came home last night, or yesterday, I just plugged the old camper in, and the refrigerator is refrigerating. Day 4. Day 4 was much quieter than day 1, 2, and 3. Much quieter. Well, I know this is a flattering picture, right? What do you think? 19 inches? 19 inches? 19 inches is what we're gonna go with. I forgot to film again. God dang it. Anyways, we're going to the welding shop and see if I can get this sumbitch cut down. I don't expect it to be done today, but I'm hoping I can drop it off and then pick it up Wednesday-ish when I get back from the coast. Thursday, when I can maybe pick it up on Thursday. Hopefully that'll be the case, but we'll see. If you're from Oregon, you gotta start with Dutch. Back on the road! Okay, here we are at Richard's Welding, and we're going to go in and talk to them about cutting this hitch receiver thingamajigger down. I don't know if I can film in there, but we'll see. Man, Richard is such a nice guy. Takes the time to explain it. I'm not the smartest person when it comes to stuff like this. Trigonometry, I failed. Anyways, it'll be done in an hour. So, heading back to the house because I have the laundry in the laundry machine, the dishes in the dishwasher, getting that all taken care of, wrapping things up. I think I'm going to put a chair in the camper because I don't think Chuck the Wagon I don't still think I'm taking Chuck the Wagon, but we'll see. Okay, boys and girls, we back at the house now. I am here for a couple things. To put the wash in the dryer and check the dishwasher. And then we're going to go over to Home Depot to get a couple turnbuckles for the new hitch for the camper. So I stopped at our local hardware store and got these. But my thing is when you walk out of a hardware store, don't you miss the smell of a hot dog stand? Where are the hot dog stands? Where are the hot dog stands? The pandemic did one thing and one thing only. They ruined hot dog stands coming out of hardware stores. Look at the gorgeous. All right. Let's see if this works. Okay, boys and girls. There she is. Cut down and installed. This with the riser. I don't have the camera stand, so you're just gonna get finished product, I guess. Might be a better view. I don't know. That's the side that goes on the truck, and that's what is going to tow Chuck the Wagon. Okay, there it is. So this step doesn't come down with that on there, but pull that out, pull that out. Guess what? The step is a steppin'. The only thing, I'm not even gonna have to change anything because this is where the chains hook to. This is where the trailer chains hook to. This is gonna be absolutely perfect. I think this is gonna work really well. And that's what it looks like when it's ready to tow. I'm gonna throw the chains on here just to see if that works. Okay, that's the new apparatus. So this thing is so much more sturdy. These chains are really just there for looks. Before, when it stuck out here, these chains were to make sure that when you made a corner, this didn't fail. And now this is the stoutest. Like when I stepped on this, you know, it would go down. This doesn't even go down anymore. Sorry for the fat finger, but this is a big improvement. I may take Chuck the Wagon to the coast.